If you've been wanting to refresh your TikTok identity with a brand new name, but you're not sure where the settings are hiding, don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change your name on TikTok in just a few taps. Stick with me till the end because there's one important rule TikTok added that can prevent you from changing your name again if you miss it. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. This works exactly the same on both Android and iPhone. So no matter what device you're using, follow along. Once the app is open, look at the bottom right corner and tap the profile icon. This takes you straight to your personal profile page. Now you'll see an option called Edit Profile, usually shown with a small pencil icon. Tap on that, and inside this menu, you'll find all your profile customization options. Here, look for the field labeled Name. This is your displayed name, the one people see on your profile and videos. Tap on the name field, delete your old name, and type in the new name you want to use. Once you're happy with it, hit the Save button, usually shown as a check mark at the top right. And just like that, your TikTok name is updated. But here's the part a lot of people don't realize. TikTok has a 7-day limit on name changes. That means you can only change your displayed name once every 7 days. So if you try to edit it again before that period is over, TikTok won't let you. You'll actually see a message telling you the exact date when you will become eligible to change it again. So if you recently updated your name and TikTok won't allow another edit, don't worry, nothing's wrong with your app. You simply have to wait until the next eligible date before making another change. And that's it. A super quick and simple guide to changing your TikTok name. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more easy app tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.